After you work with your Emeril Pasta Beyond, cleanup's a breeze. And you should clean it thoroughly after each use.
First, remove the power cord from the wall outlet. An easy way to clean all the parts and accessories is to put them right in the dishwasher on the top shelf. They are dishwasher safe. You can wipe the flour residue off the basic unit housing and control panel with a clean, dry cloth. Please note, never submerge the basic unit housing in water or liquid. The water will damage the electric parts. Clean the pasta discs with the metal ends of the spatula cleaning tool to remove any dough residues.
After that, you can clean it with water or in the dishwasher. Caked on dough or food on accessories can be soaked in warm soapy water before hand washing or putting into the dishwasher. Never use scouring pads, abrasive pads, or harsh cleaners on these items.
If scrubbing becomes necessary, use the cleaning brush, a nylon bristle brush, or plastic, non-abrasive scrubbing pads.
To store your Emeril Pasta Beyond, make sure all the components are clean and dry, then place the appliance in a clean, dry place. And that's it. That's all you do, and your Emeril Pasta Beyond will be clean again and ready for the next meal. For more information, tips, tricks, and delicious recipes, please watch our videos at emerilpastabeyondinfo.com.